How to fix Instagram, try again later, login on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram, try again later, login on Android phone. First thing, just open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, and now go to Instagram and here you will find the storage. Now just click clear cache and click for stop, this one here. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and go to storage and clear data, click OK, and then restart your phone and your problem must be fixed. And that's how to fix Instagram, try again later, login problem on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.